channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is the first time tuning in, my name is Manifa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a beginner's guide to a great skincare regimen, skincare routine. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So let's talk about the importance of skincare and having a skincare routine in order to improve the quality of skin that you have. You know what I mean? I knew the importance of skincare growing up. We just know, like, growing up, make sure you wash your face, make sure you bathe your skin, you know, like that was important. But nobody really knew the importance of like the steps of your skincare in order to improve the quality of your skin. I learned that when I was in school to become an esthetician, the steps of skincare and how to build a regimen in order to improve the quality of your skin. So the basic skincare steps, there's morning basic skincare steps, and then there's afternoon, night time skincare steps. So the morning basic skincare steps are cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting, which is basically washing your face, cleansing, moisturizing, making sure your skin is moisturized, whether that be a face lotion, a facial oil, and then protection, which is like a sunblock or like a protective serum. Now in the evening, it's very similar but with slight difference. There's cleansing again, then there is treatment, which is serums, toners, masks. Then there's moisture, where you moisturize your skin to lock in all of the skincare products that you have done, that you just put on your face. So the best advice that I would give for someone starting out their skincare routine or trying to build a great skincare routine is to first seek professional help. Go see your dermatologist, your esthetician. Go in and talk to a skincare professional so that they can identify what skin type you have and what product will best work for you and be very effective for your skin type in order for you to see results. Speaking of skin types, there's different skin types. There are normal, dry, combination, sensitive, oily. I won't go into full detail about each individual, or maybe I should. Okay, I'm gonna go into detail of each individual skin type to describe each one so you can kind of figure out, oh, maybe I have this skin type, maybe I have dry, maybe I have oily, maybe I have combination skin. So normal skin type. So normal skin type is neither oily or dry. It's generally less reactive to anything that you put on your face. Meaning normal skin type is a type of skin where you can try out a lot of products and you don't get really irritated. You don't see the effects too much of the products. You can try out different products without your skin being easily irritated. It's less reactive to different products, basically. Now, dry skin type is often flaky. It's dry, so it's flaky. Always have some sort of peeling and can sometimes have that powdery look. It has a lack of hydration and have that tight feeling, like, you know, when you just wash your face. That happened to me a lot. I think I have combination skin. You know, when you just wash your face and your skin just feels so tight and dry. That's the feeling that a dry skin have, like, and it doesn't revert. Like my skin, for example, is combination, so after I wash it, it's dry, and sometimes it can get irritated and flaky depending on what products I use. But after some time, I'm gonna start getting oily. Like, as you guys can see, I start getting oily right here on my nose area. So I feel like I have combination skin because I have both elements of those skin types. Now, oily skin, speaking of oily skin is just greasy and oily throughout the face. It has an overactive sebaceous glands. It just have a excessive production of oil, which in the long term that can be a good sign, because that means that it will be harder for you to get wrinkles, because we know that wrinkles come from dry skin and your skin not being moisturized. So the fact that you have a natural moisturizer like your skin being oily, the appearance of that youthfulness is apparent within your skin, but also it can also be a downside to that. You can be more prone to acne as well. So it's like a yin and yang, up and down. You can go either which way when you have oily skin. And there's combination skin, which is the skin type that I have, which is basically oily in the T-zone area, like your forehead, around your nose, and then the other parts of your face will be dry. And then of course we have sensitive skin. I talked a little bit about sensitive skin in the beginning when I was talking about normal skin. Sensitive skin is obviously sensitive to different products, sensitive to aggression, like the way you scrub your face. You might get red, you might get acne, you might get blemishes just off of foods you eat, by the environment, the weather, the products that you use. Anything can set off a person with sensitive skin to react with changes within their skin. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. For the best skincare routine, best skincare results, go and see a skincare professional. If you can't afford to go to a skincare specialist, go on Google, go on YouTube, research, look at my video. I'm telling you, different skin types, find out your skin types, and then look up. Once you find out the characteristics of the skin type that you have, and like, I do get a little flaky, I have dry skin, oh, I do have combination skin, no, I have sensitive skin. You find out what you have, then go look it up on the Google, look it up. What products is best for oily skin? What cleansers is best for this type of skin? What serums is best for this skin? What is the best Search up what you need, try out the products. If the products don't work, try another product. If the products don't work, try another product. If nothing now work, then it's important for you to go and definitely see a specialist. They can give you high quality prescribed medicated serums, cleansers, any products that you need in order to help you improve the quality of your skin. So that is it for the video. I hope it was very informative. If you have any questions, comments, concern, make sure you let me know in the comment section. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Follow me on all social media platforms, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.